Hare
Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Rama Rama, Hare
Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna,
Hare
Krishna,
Hare Hare
Krishna, Hare Hare,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama Rama,
Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare
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 Hare,
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare
Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Hare
Hare Rama,
Hare,
Rama Rama, Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare
Krishna.
Okay, thank you for chanting so beautifully, every one of you. And Vrinda, Balvrinda, thank you for playing the dholak, the small dholak you have. Thank you.
I was just singing a song of Hare Krishna. I was not chanting. I was singing Hare Krishna. I was singing. I was not chanting.
Oh, okay. Okay, now let us see. Just one. Okay, now let us continue with our story today.
Mahaprabhu.
Yes, oh wow, that's very nice. Balvrinda, that's so nice. You colored it, very good. Okay, so do you Okay. Okay, so now I have a question for you. Do you all know who is Gadadhar Pandit?
Yes, I know.
Okay, Raghav, go ahead and tell
Yes, I
me.
know. What?
Go ahead and tell me who is Gadadhar Pandit.
He is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's
Associate?
devotee.
Okay, he's an associate. Associate means he's with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Whenever he does
He's a
kirtan,
devotee
wherever.
and with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Okay, but who is he actually? Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we know he's Radha and Radharani and Krishna himself, right? So now who do you think is Gadadhar Pandit? Is he Narada Muni? Is he Lord Brahma? Madhav, you wanted to say? Who is he?
Radharani. I was going to say Radharani.
I know, but you know that. Yes,
I was
he
going
is
to say Radharani.
Oh, you want to say Radharani Radha? Okay. Yes, he is Radharani. So you know. So what happens when Krishna was doing pastimes? There was always Radharani with him, right? Every time he used to do pastimes, Radharani was always there. So now here, Gadadhar Pandit is always with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So here, Gadadhar Pandit is always with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you know, wherever he goes, whatever he does. You know, so Radharani is like supporting Chaitanya Mahaprabhu here. You know, it's the other way around. Because in, in Krishna Lila, Krishna was always behind Radharani, you know. He was the main. But here, you know, we see that Radharani is actually helping Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It's the other way around. So now, you know, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wants to go to Vrindavan. So Gadadhar Pandit says, no, I want to come with you. I want to be there. Because they are in Jagannath Puri, right? So he says, no, I also want to come with you. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, no, you had taken a vow. that you are not going to leave, because, he had taken a vow that he's not going to leave that place. So then what happens? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, you cannot break your vow. But he says, no, that's okay. It's okay. I'm ready to take that mistake on my head, but I want to be with you. Where everybody be quiet, no talking. Raghav, mute. Only when I ask a question or when you want to answer, everybody will unmute. Otherwise, no talking. But, he says, no, it's okay. It's okay. Even if I break my promise, but I want to be always with you, But he says, no, that is not possible. So then, he's already crossing the river. And then, Gadadhar Pandit is also almost there at the end, end of Jagannath Puri. And then he says, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, no, now you have to stop here. So he says to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, no, take him. He cannot come with me. He cannot break his vow because he's a sannyasi. You cannot just break your vow like that. If you tell somebody that I will do this, but then you go back on your promise, is that okay? That is not okay. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu does not let him come with him. So then, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu goes to Vrindavan. So that is one story, where Gadadhar Pandit wanted to go, but he could not go with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then another story, before Gaur Purnima, there is this, we celebrate the Madhavendra Puri festival. Okay. So now, who's Madhavendra Puri? Does anybody know who is Madhavendra Puri? Vrinda, you want to tell?
Madhavendra Puri is Shiva. He's Shiva.
Lord Chaitanya.
Madhavendra Puri is the spiritual master of
Lord Chaitanya, spiritual master.
No, he's Shiva.
Who Palvit wants to say?
We were
No, not Lord Shiva.
talking about
Vrinda, yes.
He's the one.
Exactly.
He's
He's
very
the one who
Because if
is
Sora
the
was
master
we
blue.
have to take care of it, right? Because
If
later
he
on,
looks at
we were
something blue, he will fall down unconscious.
So I asked,
Who should fall down unconscious, Vrinda?
we at least I know, and it's hard to get out.
Madhavendra Puri.
Mataji?
Yes, Palvit, you wanted to say something?
Yes, I say Hare Krishna Mataji.
Oh, Hare Krishna, Palvit. Thank you for joining. Okay, Madhavendra, yes, Balavrinda, you wanted to say something?
I wanted to say that he is a spiritual master of he is a spiritual.
I don't want to say. Let Mataji explain. Mataji explain. Mataji, she just.
No, Madhavendra Puri.
Mataji,
Yes, Raghav.
he is Shiva.
No. We are not talking about Shiva here. He is not Lord Shiva, but he is actually a very, 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 very great devotee. He is a very great devotee of the Lord, Madhavendra Puri. Okay. He is from the Madhava Sampradaya. Okay. So, and also he's the spiritual master of Advaita Acharya. You know who is Advaita Acharya, right? In the Panchatattva, you have seen Advaita Acharya? Yes, so he is also the spiritual master of Advaita Acharya. So we are going to see, what do you do when your spiritual master's birthday is there? You celebrate it, right? Isn't it? Or you make feast, you make a lot of preparations, isn't it? So like that, now before going to Vrindavan, so Mahaprabhu, he's at Shantipur, that is where Advaita Acharya lives. Okay. So now Advaita Acharya is holding a big, big festival for his spiritual master, So it is called the Madhavendra Puri festival. Okay. So now what he's going to do, a lot of preparations. The devotees, they're going to serve. They need for making garlands. They need to have place sheds ready so that people can sit and eat prasadam. He needs people in making prasadam. So like that, Advaita Acharya is making a big, big feast and everybody is invited. Everybody is dancing. Everybody is having kirtan. So now we will see how Madhavendra Puri met Advaita Acharya. So Madhavendra Puri, he did not like to meet like normal people, you know, because whenever people will see sannyasi, what they will say? Oh, please give me blessings so that, you know, I have good house. I have a, you know, big house. I have good health. You know, I have a good child. You know, I have a beautiful wife. Please give me some blessings. So he did not like that. Or if he would meet some sannyasi when he was walking, and what they would say, oh, we are all Krishna. We are all Narayan. We are all God. So he did not like all those talks. So he used to walk, you know, on the bank of the Ganga. So like that, he was walking alone. That's when he saw, can you see, you know how Advaita Acharya was sitting and he was praying his Shaligram Chila. You know how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared, right? When he was praying to Shaligram Chila with the Ganges water and Tulsi leaf. So like that, he was praying, and then Madhavendra Puri saw. They were all wearing tilak, devotees wear tilak. So then they saw, oh, this must be a devotee. When Advaita Acharya also saw, oh, he must be a devotee. Then he immediately invited Madhavendra Puri to his house. He, you know, washed his feet. He offered him prasadam. He said, please take rest here, you know, before you go, move forward, you know, wherever you're going. Let us. Then they started discussing about Krishna, his pastimes. So they had such wonderful, wonderful time. So then, you know, Advaita Acharya decided, who else can I get as a spiritual master? He's a very, very great devotee. So I should take initiation from him. I cannot have anybody else better than him. So that's when, you know, he takes initiation from Madhavendra Puri. Now, after Madhavendra Puri gives him, you know, the initiation, he tells, you know, I have to go, because he is going where? He is going to Remuna. You know, he had to get the sandalwood for his Gopal DT. So he said, I have to go now. I have to get the sandalwood paste, because that's another story. I will tell you some other time. So I have to go get my sandalwood paste. So now I have to take your leave. So that's where, you know, after he took initiation, so every year Advaita Acharya used to celebrate his, you know, Madhavendra Puri festival. Okay, so like that, you know, this is one of the other story, how Advaita Acharya meets Madhavendra Puri, and how every year when you celebrate this, and if you are there in Shantipur at that time, then what happens, you know? You don't even have to do anything. You just have to eat prasadam there, and you will become a devotee of the Lord. See, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do fasting. You don't have to do any other thing. Just eat prasadam on that day. If you're in Shantipur, when they are celebrating this festival, if you go and eat prasadam, it's Krishna. It's so easy, you know. So that's why this festival is celebrated. Okay, now let us see another story. Okay, now what happens here? You know, 6 Goswamis. Who can tell me the name of 6 Goswamis? Jahnavi, can you tell me one name of 6 Goswamis? Jahnavi, do you know the name of 6 Goswamis? Any one name?
Rupa Goswami.
Very good.
Rupa Goswami.
Who said?
Rupa Goswami.
Okay, that is Jahnavi said Rupa Goswami. Anybody else who knows the name of 6 Goswami?
Sanatana
Yes, Sanatan Goswami.
Goswami.
Sanatana Goswami.
Wait, Subhadra. Madhav, you want to say?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
That right?
Sanatan C.
Sanatan,
Yes.
Gopal Bhatt,
Raghunatha.
Raghunath
Oh, very nice.
Jivakanas.
Raghunath Bhatt.
Jiva Goswami.
Yes, yes. Yes. Okay, very nice. Jiva Goswami, Rupa Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami. Isn't it? Gopal Bhatta Goswami, yes? Very good, all of you know. So now what happens? Now here, Sanatan Goswami is how he meets Chaitanya Mahaprabhu for the first time. Because he's actually, you know, like Prime Minister. He has a big position, you know, but he does not want anything. He just wants to become a devotee of the Lord, isn't it? So what happens, you know, he is actually traveling for 1 week. He's just traveling along the forest, not eating any food. He's so hungry. He's so thirsty. and he comes to know that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is at Varanasi at the house of Chandrasekhar. So, without eating, without sleeping, without proper clothes, he just has one, chadar on him, and then his bed is so long, he's so dirty and unclean, and he's sitting outside the house of Chandrasekhar. Then Lord Chaitanya knows Sanatana Goswami is sitting outside. So he tells, okay, go and see outside if there is any devotee who is sitting. So then Chandrasekhar, he goes out, he sees, oh, there is nobody. No, then he goes back and he tells, no, there is nobody outside. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, no, do you see somebody who is wearing a Muslim chadar? Oh, then he says, yes, I saw somebody with a Muslim chadar. He is looking very in a bad shape. He has long beard. He's very unclean. I saw somebody. Okay. So then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, get him immediately inside the house. And then, he calls him. And Sanatana Goswami, he immediately, offers obeisances to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he's about to touch himself. Don't touch me, right? They want to get clean, then you can touch them.
I didn't hear you, Mataji.
What happened? Who cannot hear me?
Mommy, Mataji, before we couldn't hear you.
Now you cannot hear me?
Now we can hear you.
Okay. So he says, Sanatana Goswami says, please don't touch me. I'm so crazy. Please don't touch me. But Chaitanya
Mataji, your voice is breaking in the middle, Mataji. It's breaking.
Oh, it's breaking?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Not for me, Mataji.
Not for you.
Mataji, Balavinda, for me, Mataji. Your voice is
For me, it's a little bit coming.
Oh,
But we can
I
still
really don't know.
Mataji, please
Mataji,
continue.
Anjana Gopika Mataji, is my voice breaking?
Mataji, it's okay, Mataji. Still we can understand what you are saying. Please continue, Mataji.
Okay. So then, what happens? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he does not listen to
hear
him.
you.
Oh, Krishna. Maybe you can join again.
You can join reback. We can hear you. We can hear Mataji. Raghav, please join back.
Okay, so what happens? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he doesn't care because he's such a great exalted devotee, isn't it? So he immediately goes and embraces him. And then, both of them seeing each other, they're crying so much. They are in so much bliss, so much happiness. What happens when you see your friend after a long time? Isn't it? You're so happy that you hug each other. You are almost have tears because you're meeting after a long time. Like that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Sanatana Goswami, they met each other. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, you go, because the chadar that Sanatana Goswami was wearing was not a simple chadar. So he said, he did not want him to wear that. He wanted him to be very, very simple, leave everything. So then Sanatana Goswami went, he just cleaned himself up, and then he exchanged his chadar for a very simple chadar. And then he came back. See, you can see in the picture, how he offered his obeisances with a straw in between his teeth. He was so humble like that,
Mataji?
Yes, Janvi.
In the calendar in March, there's the same picture.
Yes, I know it's the same picture. Okay. So like that, he offers his obeisances.
It's the same picture in my calendar.
Yeah, so like that he offers his
It's the
obeisances.
same picture in my calendar too.
Thank you, everybody. Okay. So like
Also,
that. Okay. I will wait for... Okay, you can tell me later. Okay, let me finish the story and the activity. Then you can tell me about the same picture that you all have in your calendar. Okay, so like that, Mahaprabhu is giving him a lot of instructions because we all know.
Okay,
They wrote so many books. They wrote so many nice literatures. They had to find out the pastimes of Radha Krishna and Vrindavan. So that was the instruction given by Mahaprabhu. Okay, so like that, even though Sanatana Goswami, he had a very big position, but he did not want any of those things. He just wanted to be a simple and a humble devotee of the Lord. So that is how we should also try to be. See, very humble. We should not be proud. Oh, I'm doing such a nice drawing. I'm such a great artist. I can sing so well. I can read all the shlokas so nicely. We should not and never think like that. We should be always grateful to Krishna. Oh, Krishna has given me such nice ability. Let me use it in his service very nicely. Okay? Yes? Like that, he takes shelter of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Now let us see some jumbled words. Let me see how many of you can guess. Okay, the first one. First one who wants. Can you raise your hands, guys? I have to getting late. Subhadra. This one, let me do it. Okay, Palvit. Palvit, unmute yourself and tell me what is the first word. It is a place where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu visited somebody.
Tripura.
Yes, Shantipur. Subhadra, can you click it? Okay. What is the second word? Who is this? Balavrinda.
Okay.
It is somebody who wanted to go with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. We saw in the story. Who wanted to go with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
Hare Krishna Mataji, step up, can I say?
Mataji, can Balavrinda say?
Balavrinda's turn. Deepak, I will give you also a turn. Wait. Balavrinda, tell me.
He went with He
wanted to go with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Vrindavan, but he could not go. Who is that person?
Gadadhar Pandit.
Yes.
Gadadhar Pandit.
Yes. Okay. Now, okay, Tushita. Everybody, you should raise your hand in the chat. That is easier for me. Tushita, you want to say the third one? Who is this? Who was the spiritual master of Advaita Acharya? Tushita?
Madhavendra Puri.
Oh, who is that? Tushita? Is that Tushita? Okay, it is
Puri.
Okay, yes, Satvik, Madhavendra Puri, yes.
Can I do the fourth one, Mataji?
Oh, wait. See, you had to raise your hand. Okay, Jahnavi, go for the fourth one. This is Gadadhar Pandit wanted to go with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu where?
Vrindavan.
Yes. Okay. Madhav raised his hand. Madhav, you wanted to do the fifth one? Madhav? Which Madhav raised hand? I don't know. Madhav, you want to do the fifth one? Go ahead.
This one.
Fifth one. You know, what did Advaita Acharya celebrate? What is it called when you celebrate something? He celebrated the dash of Madhavendra Puri.
Madhavendra Puri.
No, he celebrated the festival of Madhavendra Puri. Okay, Deepak, you want to do the sixth one?
Yes, Mataji.
Do you know where did Sanatan Goswami meet Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? What is the place called? I told you. This place is called
Varanasi.
Yes, Varanasi. Yes. Okay, seventh one is Vrinda. You want to tell? What is the seventh one? Who met Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at Varanasi?
What?
Seventh one. You wanted to do the seventh one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So who met Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at Varanasi? The last story we did. He's one of the 6 Goswamis.
Sanatana.
Yes, Sanatan Goswami. Okay. So 8th, let me see. Subhadra. No, you will not. I want to see Subhadra. This is not fair. Time is Subhadra. It's not for me.
Govinda.
Who said Govinda? Balavrinda. Okay. Okay, Satvik, you wanted to say Satvik or Palvik? You want to say the 9th one?
Yeah. Yes, Mother.
Okay, go ahead.
Shelter.
Yes, it is shelter. Very good. Okay. Now we will have our, Sachi Shuta Ashtakam and the rhyme today. Okay, let's welcome Anjana Gopika Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Anjana Gopika Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
So much. Thank you, all the kids. Go to the Shuta Ashtakam, okay? Nija Bhakti Karam.
Nijabhaktaram
Priya Charutaram. Nija Bhakti Karam.
Mataji, is this the rhyme?
This is a song. We were singing a Gaura Sachi Shuta Ashtakam, yes? It's the 5th verse of Sachi Shuta Ashtakam. Nija Bhakti Karam Priya Charutaram.
Nija Bhakti.
Charuta Nata Nartana Nagara. Rajakulam. Kulakamini Manasa. Lasyakaram. Pranamami Sachi Shuta Gauravam. Nija Bhakti Karam Priya Charutaram. Nata Nartana Nagara Rajakulam. Kulakamini Manasa Lasyakaram. Pranamami Sachi Shuta Gauravaram. I didn't hear everyone. It's a very easy song, okay? It's a very simple word. Can you repeat, you all?
Yes.
Bhakti Karam Priya Charutaram. Nata Nartana Nagara Rajakulam. Kulakamini Manasa Lasyakaram. Pranamami Sachi Shuta Gauravaram. We'll see what is this verse, okay? He motivates pure devotion unto himself. Lord Gauranga is Krishna himself. Yes, he is praying to Krishna.
Can you move to the next slide? It's still on the same slide.
The same slide we are doing in translation, Brinda. He is most attractive to his beloved servitors. By his dramatic dancing, he exhibits the characteristic of the king of paramours. He causes the mind of beautiful young village women to dance. I bow down to Gaura, the beautiful son of Mother Sachi. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is singing, dancing, everybody gets so attracted and they like to dance, you know. He is also dancing and he is chanting the holy name of Lord. Even though he is Krishna himself, he is chanting his name and dancing, and others also, they are very attractive by his activity, and others, ladies also, they were dancing, you know. Mataji, you can go, maybe the kids can do here later on. We can go rhyme. Yeah, we all do rhyme together, okay? Yeah. Can you do all together? Because we have very less time, and then we will. Devotees travel far and near.
Devotees travel to court and court. We have on free.
Chant and praise, we have no fear.
To chant and read, we have no Krishna. Always
We know
there
that
was
Krishna.
we flee all ever there in the
Krishna
Bhagavad
everywhere.
book
everywhere. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna's book.
where to look
He tells us and
now
where to
and
look.
learn
Just to listen,
in his
just listen. Now I learn to see him breathe and in it.
thus learn to be the moon
Energy.
light
Among the
the
stars,
radiance
of the
and
light,
as
among
the
the stars is the moon.
everyone
The stars he
Of light,
ever will
so he
the struggle
next to each word.
Can you all repeat after?
and
His witness to each,
everbody's
his witness to each word and deed.
friends.
Witness to each.
The resting place, the
Friends.
eternal sea.
Resting place, eternal sea.
Is the meeting with
Ram
Ram
Ram Ram. Hare Hare. Hare Rama Hare Rama Rama Rama. Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Rama Hare Hare. Hare Rama Hare Rama. Hare
all who worship him.
Hare Krishna.
Not that lead to his Lord.
Krishna Krishna
Where the souls fell from above to save us. Lord Chaitanya came to bring all people back to God.
To bring all people back to God, chanting Krishna's holy name.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Hare Hare
Mataji, can I open the book?
Can you raise the hand? You can do the rhyme. Can you rain one by one? They can do the rhyme. How many we can do? Let's see. First of all, we do the rhyme only, okay? And then go to the song and the last. Okay, how many of you are raising a hand? Please raise the hand. 1 to 12. Okay, Tushita, go ahead.
Repeat yourself if somebody.
Tushita V. Who is V? Balavi.
Devotees travel far and near.
Devote to tell far and near.
To chant and preach, we have no fear.
To chant and preach and
We have no fear.
fear.
We know that Krishna is all.
We know that Krishna is always there.
As we feel Krishna is everywhere.
We think Krishna is everywhere.
In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna's book,
In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna's book.
he tells us how and where to look.
He tells us how and where to look.
Just listen now and learn to see
Just listen now and learn to see.
him present in his energy.
He present
In his energy. Among the stars, he is the moon.
Among the stars, he is the moon.
Of light, he is the radiant sun.
Of light, he is the
Radiant.
sun.
And as the super soul,
As the super soul,
he is seated in the heart of everyone.
he's seated in the heart of everyone.
He is witness to each word and deed.
Witness to
Each word and deed. The resting place, the eternal seat. Place the eternal seat. He is the beginning, middle, and end. Middle and end. He is everybody's dearmost friend.
Everybody, dearest friend.
He is the life of all that lives.
He is the life of all the sun.
To all who worship him,
To all of them who worship him.
he gives the shining lamp of knowledge.
He gives the shining lamp of knowledge.
Sweet.
Sweet.
That feeds us to his lotus feet.
That
Feeds us, that leads us to his lotus feet.
That leads his lotus feet.
The spirit souls fell from above.
The spirit
Souls fell from above. To save us, Lord Chaitanya came.
to save no
Lord-
Lord Chaitanya came.
To bring all people back to Godhead.
To bring people back to Godhead.
Chanting Krishna's holy name.
Chanting Krishna's holy names.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna.
Okay, now I
Hare
will
Hare.
say two person. Okay, it's who is V? V Palvit Raghav. Can you go three together and then Raghav? Bala.
No way that I can change my name. I think there's some problem. That's why it's just like that.
Okay, okay. V Balabrinda means Balabrinda and Danavi go together. Palvit, yes. Danavi and Balabrinda, can you go together and then Palvit? Balabrinda and Danavi, go ahead.
Start.
Okay. Devotees
How far and near, and reach we have here. Know that Krishna's always there, cause we feel Krishna everywhere. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna's book, he tells us how and where to look. He just listen and his energy. Among the stars, he is the moon of the wise. He is the radiant sun. And as the super soul, he is seated in the heart of everyone. He witnessed to each word of deed, the resting place, eternal seed. He is the beginning, middle, and end. He is everybody's dearmost friend.
Brinda, can you sing with that?
And he gives the shining lamp of knowledge. He leads us to his lotus feet. The spirit souls fell from above to save us all. Chaitanya came
and bring the
And
Lord.
chanted Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare
Krishna, Krishna, Krishna,
Now,
Hare
now Madhav
Hare
now
Rama, Hare Hare.
Subhadra Subhadra, Madhav, Palvit, can you go and then we'll end the call, okay? Can you go, Subhadra?
6:15. It's already 6:15.
Palvit, go ahead. Palvit.
Bolo. Devotees travel far and near.
Devotees feel and
Subhadra. Madhav, everyone, whoever there, please go ahead.
We have no fear.
have no fear.
We know that Krishna's know that Krishna is always here.
We know that Krishna is
Always here. Because we feel Krishna.
Bhagavad Gita, Krishna's book.
Because we feel Krishna everywhere.
everywhere.
In Bhagavad Gita,
Krishna's book.
he tells us how
He tells us how
In present
and where to look.
energy
and where to look on the
Now
among stars,
and learn to see
and learn to see
him present
attention
in his
energy
among the stars.
and the stars.
He is the moon.
He is the
He is
all life.
in the
the
heart of
radiant sun.
The
everyone,
radiant sun.
And as the super soul,
As super soul.
word and
he
deed,
is seated in
witness
the heart of everyone.
Heart of everyone.
He
rest
gives us to word and deed,
God and He,
the resting place,
the resting place,
the eternal seat.
middle and
the endless need.
He is the beginning,
He is the beginning,
middle, and end.
middle, and end.
He is everybody,
To everybody,
dear,
dear,
most friend,
middle,
most friend.
most friend.
He is the life
He is the life
of all that lives.
on all of life.
To all who worship
To all of the worship,
him, he gives the
He
shining lamp
Lamb gift
of knowledge
of knowledge
that leads us to
that lead to
his lotus feet.
His lotus feet.
The spirit souls
The sweet spot,
fell from above
spirit above,
to save us.
to save us.
Lord Chaitanya came
Lord Chaitanya came
to bring all people
to bring all people
back to Godhead,
back to Godhead,
chanting Krishna's holy name.
chanting Krishna's holy name.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Bas bolo, thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Mancha kalpata dudasya
Patitana, Pavanyo, Vaishnav.